Still staying on the theme of Kake drills, the rotation of the wrist here. What I'm going to do is get into it's just a routine or a habit, because what we're doing just before, we're doing the Kake push and pull, but now I want to get into a keeping connection and receiving. So you can see the Kake movement here is receiving, but I'm going to keep my hands up, because from here we can basically move on to anything that Sensei is showing us. Again, it's just a connection drill, rotation, double hand, Kake, receiving. We always receive with the palm facing back to us, as if we were just single-handedly receiving. As it happens, one hand goes forward, the other one comes back. And again here, this one rotates, so does this one along the arm. Just like those cogs, you know, big cogs, small cogs working together. From here, the next one is where the receiving hand actually pushes down the punch, and I keep receiving. So now we're getting more of a rotation happening, and some continual drill. And those of you that are up to Sainchin, I can bring into the archer's block. Here, pull punches, archer's block. Or I can actually go to get his hand. Same thing, but it's the rotation of this bit here, of my wrist, that is important. I must receive this way and to turn this way. And then from there you can go back to number 2, back to 1. Straight into 3 if you want. Straight into 2, back to 1. It's just continuous rolling Kake.